D.
Not specifically made for soccer players, no.
Well, then what is the best orthotics for soccer players?
The best orthotic for any soccer player is to have an orthotic that is made specifically for them by a podiatrist.
How much do those cost?
Orthotics from a podiatrist can cost as much as $400, but in some cases can be covered by insurance.
What if I cannot afford to have that done, then what can I do?
Well, the podiatrist who made this video has provided the list of some of the best over-the-counter orthotics for soccer at the link below.
What is the difference between those and custom orthotics?
About $300, and these are not specifically designed for your foot but in most cases can be very effective.
Thank you for your help.